Welcome to this deep dive into the mathematical elegance behind machine learning and statistics. Today, we are thoroughly exploring Euler's number, probability theory, maximum likelihood estimation, commonly known as MLE, and the exponential family of distributions. If you have ever trained a logistic regression model or a deep neural network, you have minimized a loss function called cross-entropy. But fundamentally, minimizing cross-entropy is mathematically identical to maximizing the log likelihood. Have you ever wondered why we always take the natural logarithm of the likelihood function in MLE? The secret lies in Euler's number, e. Let's uncover why this mathematical constant, intertwined with the logarithm, makes incredibly complex statistical optimization almost miraculously simple. Section 1. The magic of Euler's number, denoted as e. Euler's number, approximately equal to 2.71828, is far from being just a random sequence of digits. Discovered in the context of compound interest by Jacob Bernoulli, it is the fundamental mathematical constant of continuous growth. In finance, it models continuous compounding. In physics, it describes radioactive decay and population dynamics. But its most profound and elegant application is in calculus and probability theory. The exponential function e to the x is uniquely characterized as the only function whose derivative is exactly itself. This self-similar rate of change is precisely what makes it an absolute superpower in advanced calculus and statistical modeling. Section 2. Probability distributions and their inherent connection to e. If you closely inspect the probability density functions for the most common continuous probability distributions, you will spot e appearing almost everywhere. The famous bell curve or normal distribution contains e raised to a negative squared exponent. The exponential distribution, heavily used in queuing theory for modeling waiting times, is explicitly based on e. Even the Poisson distribution, which models discrete event counts over time, fundamentally relies on e. It turns out that nature, entropy, and randomness naturally organize themselves around this continuous growth constant to maximize information entropy under specific constraints. Section 3. Introduction to Maximum Likelihood Estimation, or MLE. Imagine you have a vast data set of observations and you safely assume it follows a normal distribution, but the true population mean and variance remain unknown. MLE is the foundational statistical framework we use to estimate these unknown parameters. The core philosophy of MLE is conceptually brilliant. Out of all possible parameter values, we want to select the ones that make our observed data the absolute most mathematically probable. In other words, we aim to maximize the likelihood of observing the exact sequence of data points that we actually recorded in the real world. Section 4. The construction of the likelihood function. Mathematically, if we assume that our individual data points are independently and identically distributed, the widely used i.i.d assumption, the joint probability of observing the entire dataset is simply the product of their individual probabilities. The likelihood function, formally denoted as L of theta, is exactly this massive continuous multiplication. We multiply the probability density function evaluated at each independent data point. Visually, as our dataset scales up to thousands or millions of samples, we are multiplying more and more terms together, creating an extremely complex polynomial structure. Section 5. The Computational and Mathematical Nightmare. Multiplying thousands of small probabilities creates two catastrophic problems. First, we face computational underflow. Modern computer architectures using 64-bit floating point numbers cannot handle multiplying thousands of decimals between 0 and 1. The resulting value quickly falls below the machine's precision limit and rounds down to absolute zero, destroying our gradient. Second, calculus heavily penalizes products. To find the maximum of a function, we must take the derivative and set it to 0. However, calculating the derivative of a massive product requires applying the computationally exhaustive product rule recursively. It becomes a mathematical nightmare. Section 6. The mathematical hero, the log likelihood transformation. Here is where the true elegance of statistics shines. We apply the natural logarithm ln to the entire likelihood function. Because the logarithm is a strictly monotonically increasing function, the exact parameter value that maximizes the likelihood also maximizes the log likelihood. The logarithm algebraically transforms massive products into simple sums, immediately solving our floating point underflow problem and making partial derivatives incredibly easy to compute. But the absolute best part, the natural logarithm is the exact inverse function of e. Since our probability density functions are built on e, taking the log literally neutralizes and deletes the e. ln of e to the x simply collapses into x. The ugly exponentiation vanishes entirely. Section 7. The unifying framework, the exponential family. This logarithmic trick works so universally because the majority of distributions we use belong to a broader mathematical class called the exponential family. This is a generalized abstraction that includes the normal, Poisson, binomial, beta, and gamma distributions. Every single distribution in this extensive family can be algebraically refactored into a standard canonical form involving an exponential function of the parameters and the data. Because they share this underlying mathematic DNA, taking the log likelihood for any of them results in a remarkably simple, elegant, and convex optimization problem. In conclusion, by combining Euler's number with the natural logarithm, maximum likelihood estimation transforms from an impossible, computationally intractable calculus problem into a fast, reliable sum of linear or quadratic terms. The exponential family formalizes this beautiful relationship, proving that the very foundation of modern statistics and deep learning optimization deeply relies on the unique properties of E. References for further study: Pattern Recognition and Machine Learning by Christopher M. Bishop, Elements of Statistical Learning by Hastie, Tibishrani, and Friedman, and Mathematical Statistics with Applications by Wackerly, Mendenhall, and Schaefer.